Guys, Chad from Colorado Giants. Yeah, as always, if there was a doubt. Wednesday, April 25th. Giving you the update. So the big task today was to complete an end wall. And that came out pretty good. Got the center posts driven for the last two supports that I haven't sunk previously, just for the sake of the heat cables. So, yeah, as you can see, I think that looks pretty darn good. So what we're going to do is still mount. I got enough wood. We're going to put a row of wood down along the bottom of that. And then that's, you can see I mounted all the channel for the wiggle wire. And then I got to mount wiggle wire across the top. And then we're going to put these pieces of wood. These guys will get cut, and we can do this one-handed. We'll get mounted something like that, and then the wiggle wire will get mounted to those, and we'll screen off the ends. So pretty much looking like a full-on legitimate screen house at this point, which I'm pretty happy about. Not perfect, but pretty darn good. Marge out, getting some sun. Beautiful day out today. It was snowing yesterday. Today, we were in the probably mid to high 60s. We'll go check out the seedlings real quick, and we'll keep this one short. I'll be gone for the next few days in California fighting some robots. So here is all the Plan A seedlings. So, the only one to not show any signs of life yet. Oh, never mind. We see some green. So all these are looking pretty good. They all popped up. These are all my Plan A plants. So in a perfect world, I'm going to plant two of those, two of those, two of those, two of those, plus a backup. And then I have 3 other backups as well, just in case. The only weird thing was that this one, the 2000 Pingree, the seed, the root was not coming out of the bottom, whereas they usually fire off the bottom. This one, it just was looking weird, so I kind of pulled it a little bit to try and pull the shell off, and the whole thing came up. So instead of the root coming down the bottom, it was kind of sneaking its way outside and then trying to go back around. So hopefully this guy will be okay, because I really like that seed. That's probably, that's a contender for my favorite seed this year. But yeah, you know, roll with the punches. That 1937's looking real good. Tonight I'm going to mix up the soil and pot these up, because like I said, I'll be gone for the next 4 days, and they can't stay in those tiny little peat pots. And that's about it. We'll keep this one short. Hey, if you've had that issue with the seed, or with the root not coming out of the bottom, let me know. Comment below and let me know how you guys' growing season is off to a start, or are you still waiting? Where you at? Let me know. Have a good one, guys.